This week I priced the exact same floor at Home Depot, Lowe's, and Floor Decor. Same thing at all three. Waterproof vinyl plank, wood look, the heavy 22 mil wear layer that actually survives a house with kids and dogs. One store wanted about $3 a square foot. Another wanted closer to $5. Across 1,000 square feet, that is a $2,000 swing for a floor that does the exact same job. Same plastic, same look from standing height. So I ran all three stores through 5 rounds. Price, selection, the warranty fine print, installation, and who actually makes this stuff, and I kept score. Stay for round 5, because that is where you find out that 2 of these stores are quietly selling you the same supplier's floor at very different prices. Here's the shopping list, so we are comparing apples to apples. Waterproof rigid core vinyl plank, wood look, wear layer around 20 to 22 mil, 1,000 square feet, same floor, 3 stores. And hold on to one thing, because it is the reason this channel exists. The labor to install costs what it costs. You cannot negotiate a cruise rate down. The material is the one number you control, and it is what these 3 stores are fighting over. Every dollar you save per square foot here goes straight in your pocket. Let's go. Round 1. Price. Home Depot's own brand is LifeProof, and their 22 mil rigid core lands around $3.50 to $4 a square foot. Solid, middle of the pack. Lowe's is where it stings. Their SmartCore Pro at 20 mil runs about $4 to $5, and Pergo's waterproof vinyl sits around $4.50. Lowe's is the most expensive store here every time I checked. Then Floor Decor. Their house brands, NuCore Performance and DuraLux Performance, hit that same 20 to 22 mil spec starting around $3, and DuraLux often dips under it. Same core. $1 to $1.50 a square foot cheaper than Lowe's. On 1,000 feet, that is the $2,000 I opened with. Round 1, Floor Decor. And it is not close, but price is the easy round. Round 2 is the one that made me stop shopping the big boxes for flooring entirely. Round 2, Selection. And can you actually walk out with it today? This one is quick because it is a landslide. Home Depot and Lowe's are home improvement stores. Flooring is one aisle fighting paint, lumber, and grills for shelf space, and a lot of the nice stuff is special order, so you wait. Floor Decor is a flooring warehouse. That is the entire company. Ceiling-high racks of nothing but floors. Hundreds of styles you load onto a cart and take home the same afternoon. Ever stood in a big box aisle staring at 4 vinyl options, wondering if that is really all of it? That is the problem Floor Decor solves. Round 2, Floor Decor again, 2-0. Now before round 3, stop for 30 seconds, because a scoreboard only helps if you can judge a floor yourself in the aisle, with none of us there. So here is the floor verdict test. 3 checks, any brand, any store. Check 1, the wear layer. Find the mil number on the box. 20 mil or higher for any room with real traffic. Under 12, and you are buying a floor with a countdown timer already running. Check 2, read what the warranty excludes, not what it promises. The front always shouts waterproof. The exclusions in the back tell you what is actually not covered, and that fine print is the real product. Check 3, compare the spec to the cheaper sibling on the same shelf. Same mill, same core, less money. Then the extra you would spend on the famous name is buying a logo, nothing more. Wear layer, warranty exclusions, sibling spec. Do those 3 every time, and no store in America can play you. Round 3, the warranty fine print. And this is where the story turns. On paper, all 3 flagship brands read almost identically. Lifetime residential, 15 years commercial, 100% waterproof. Sounds like a tie. So now do check 2, read the exclusions. Every one of these warranties excludes water damage. The waterproof floor's warranty does not cover flooding, leaking pipes, or moisture coming up through the subfloor. Waterproof means the plank will not swell when you wipe up a spill. It does not mean you are covered when the dishwasher lets go. We did a whole video on that trap. It is pinned for you. The most common way a floor gets wet, a supply line behind the fridge weeping for a week before you see it, is the exact event these warranties write out of the contract. But here is the part that is new, and the reason this round matters right now. As of this summer, a Washington, D.C. law firm has opened investigations into Home Depot's LifeProof and Lowe's Pergo WetProtect, and in early August it opened a 3rd file on the SmartCore locking system, also at Lowe's. Nothing has been filed in court. These are investigations, not lawsuits, but notice the pattern. The two big box stores account for all three files. Floor and Decor's house brands, not on the list. Every waterproof warranty here has the same escape hatch, so I will not hand anyone a clean win. But on which stores are drawing legal attention right now, only 2 of 3 are, and neither is the warehouse, which brings us to the one round the big boxes actually win. Round 4. Installation and convenience. This is where the big boxes earn their keep. Home Depot has the most dialed-in installation service of the 3, licensed local installers, clear online booking, labor usually $2 to $5 a square foot on top of materials, and a location near you. Lowe's is right behind, similar service, and their store card gets you 5% off, which on a big job is real money. Floor Decor offers install through partners, but it is a buy-it-and-take-it warehouse first. If you are a do-it-yourselfer or you have your own installer, that does not matter. If you want one company from pick to finished floor, the big boxes do it better. One warning, no matter which store installs, the labor number they quote is almost never what you pay. Subfloor leveling, hauling the old floor, transition strips at every doorway, each one gets added on top, and a $2 a foot quote quietly becomes $4. We have a whole video on that next. For now, when a store quotes install, ask what is not included. That one question has saved people thousands. Round 4, Home Depot, Lowe's a close second. Scoreboard, Floor and Decor, 2, Home Depot 1. 1 round, nobody cleanly won. Round 5, who actually makes this stuff? And this is the one that reframes everything. You think you are choosing between 3 stores. Follow the supply chain and the walls start moving. Home Depot's LifeProof is not made by Home Depot. It is made by a company called Halstead out of Norwalk, Connecticut, and here is the kicker. That is the same supplier behind Home Depot's cheap TrafficMaster line. The premium floor and the bargain one share a parent. Lowe's SmartCore Ultra? Read the full product name on the shelf tag. It literally says SmartCore Ultra by CoreTech Floors. CoreTech belongs to Shaw, the second biggest flooring maker on earth, owned by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. So Lowe's budget house brand is premium Shaw engineering wearing a store label, and Floor Decor's NuCore and DuraLux, private label, undisclosed factories, same playbook. Here is the takeaway that saves you money for life. These stores are not competing on who makes a better floor. A lot of it rolls off the same assembly lines. They compete on price, selection, and service, the 3 things you can actually see. So stop shopping the logo on the front of the box and start shopping the spec sheet on the back. Round 5 is not a win for a store. It is a win for you if you walk in knowing it. So here is the verdict, and it depends who you are. Do-it-yourselfer, or you have your own installer, and you care about price. Floor Decor wins outright. Cheapest, widest selection, take it home today. Want maximum convenience? One company from quote to finished floor? Home Depot, the safe default, and Lowe's is the middle. Nicer store, solid brands, but the priciest, so only lean Lowe's if that 5% card discount closes the gap. For most of you, the move is simple. Get your spec at Floor Decor's price, and only pay the big box premium if you are buying their installation with it. Now do me a favor. Drop the store you bought your flooring from and what you paid per square foot in the comments. 100 real receipts will tell the truth better than any ad, and the next person shopping will thank you. And subscribe before your next flooring trip, because next time we open the part nobody quotes you honestly: installation. The add-ons that quietly double your bill, and the 3 words on a quote that mean you are about to get upcharged. That could save you more than the floor itself. See you there.